Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Account logged in, game version updated, and inventory has 3 blue shards, a bow frame, and 1,000 gold. Once done, open the game menu and navigate straight to crafting, then weapons, then bow. You act now to avoid wasting time on later steps, because missing any resource will stop progress. Make sure crafting slots are free. Reserve one. This first move sets everything in motion. So gather items and open the bow crafting pane now. You now assemble. Select the Azure Bow recipe and place the bow frame, 3 blue shards, and required gold into the exact recipe slots. Once placed, choose lightweight string for attack speed and the plus 15% critical enchantment to balance power and handling. After assembling, use upgrade stones to push the item to tier 2. This reduces failure risk in the final craft. Make sure to confirm each choice, because enchantment order influences stat distribution, so check previews before you finalize. You finalize by confirming the final craft. This consumes the bow frame, 3 blue shards, upgrade stones, and gold, then spawns your Azure Bow. Once crafted, test the bow in a safe zone to verify stats and handling. If performance is off, reroll enchantments or reapply chosen upgrades. If the craft fails, pause and verify resource counts, cooldown timers, and that you met recipe tier requirements. Then wait out any cooldown and retry. This avoids wasted materials and ensures success next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.